Did you know most Shopify owners barely scratch the surface of the insights inside Google Search Console? That changes today. With noryX, you don't just get GSC data, you get AI-powered actions that turn those insights directly into growth opportunities for your store. Let's take a look at the new Google Search Console dashboard in noryX. This isn't just a copy of your GSC data, it's fully integrated into your store's brand performance layer, meaning you can see how search trends connect directly with your inventory, products, and content. Here at the top, you'll see your overall search performance metrics. Clicks, how many times shoppers landed on your store from search. Impressions, how often your pages showed up in results. CTR, your click-through rate. Average position, where your pages rank in Google. These metrics are automatically tracked and updated monthly. Scroll down, and you'll see top landing pages performance. This shows you which pages are driving the most clicks and impressions, and exactly how they're performing in Google. For example, you might notice your homepage ranks high with a strong CTR, while a blog post brings impressions but needs better optimization to drive clicks. This kind of insight helps you prioritize where to focus SEO efforts. Next, we've got top search queries performance. This section shows the keywords shoppers are using to find you. With this, you'll know exactly which search terms to double down on, whether that's creating more content, optimizing product descriptions, or refining collections. Now here's where noryX makes the difference. Instead of just showing you the numbers, noryX gives you AI-powered actions based on this data. Competitive intelligence actions. See how your rankings compare and where you can gain ground. High-demand products. Alerts. Identify which products are trending from search. AI-suggested bundles. Create bundles around products people are actively searching for. Content generator. Instantly generate SEO-relevant blog posts or product copy based on real search insights. Educational content topics. Automatically generate SEO-friendly educational blogs from trending product-relevant topics. Keyword opportunities. Spot gaps you can target with SEO. And if you want to go deeper, you can export your data anytime or refresh to pull in the latest metrics straight from Google. Want more from noryX? Watch the next tutorial on noryX's GA4, Google Analytics 4 integration, and what hidden insights noryX reveals about your customers.